how to play Emoji Pong on Instagram. So this is a game through your direct messages on Instagram that you can send to someone and they can play Pong with you. So go to Instagram and go to your messages. I'm just going to pick my own thread here. And I'm going to send an emoji, right? So it doesn't matter which one. So I'm just going to send this one. And remember, I'm just sending this to myself. So once you send it, all you need to do is click the emoji and the game will start, and it will progressively get faster and faster as the levels go on. And what this is going to allow you to do is once you send the emoji to a person and you play the game, they'll get the score that you had, and then they can play and see if they can beat you. And that's really it. It's really simple to do. It's a cool little thing to play if you talk to someone on the regular, and that's it. That's how you would go about playing Emoji Pong on your iPhone on Instagram, and then the game's over and it sends those hits to the person that you sent the message to. And that's it.